Shut the fuck up.
My bad, yeah. My bad.
Who's that? You finna die, bro. You finna die. Watch your jet. Watch your jet. That was new? Okay, so you're at 30. My bad.
It's about to be 30 on this one.
I don't want noodles.
Yeah, it's 30 now.
Take a noodle.
Okay, so
I don't want noodles.
Jopo and it's gonna be Jopo and Perez, and then you and Ben.
Man, Perez.
Are y'all paying attention?
No, we're just gonna let him chill here.
I mean, throw him off the fucking boat. Like,
He's gonna jump off himself when he got annihilated.
throw him off the boat, dude.
Bro, he gonna kill me. I'm on 1 life.
Bro, just throw him off. Like, throw him off.
How? I don't have a throwing move.
Just M1 him. Like, full combo.
We don't need. He's literally just gonna jump off the second we pass by. We're gonna pass by anyway, so might as well.
Wait, didn't he just say Etris?
Yes.
Oh, Etris.
Chris,
If you don't knock him off the
Chris
boat,
got Gale, bro.
Chris, get him off the boat. Somebody get him off the boat.
Chris.
He's one dude. Just get him off the boat.
He's a leader of a clan.
Okay?
Alright, Captain, you do something then. You forgot to stop the shit. Oscar, why are you hitting me, bro? He's hitting you. I'm not even fighting back. Oh my god.
Why you keep hitting me?
Because you can't sit near me and I got it. Ah! I want to rampage.
You can't kill me. You cannot do it. You cannot do it.
I almost fell out my chair. Move, bitch. Move.
Get off.
Kindly get off.
That's an artifact.
Oh my god. It's at the Bandit Island again.
Hey, artifact? How do you know there's an artifact?
It's at the Bandit. Let's go!
I don't know what we're looking for. I
Just follow those fools.
A purple ball sack is what you're looking for.
Okay.
There has to be an artifact, right? Or did one of us place something down over there?
I feel like it was Ferez's like undying thing.
What could it have gone? Oh no. Son of a bitch.
What?
It's you.
Oh my god. I knew it.
I like it, cut G.
I killed some bandits and that came out of the chest.
Oh, it's this thing. Yeah, it's a swine smear.
Oh.
I mean, I have 0 strength, 3 fortitude, 2 agility, 11 intelligence, 15 willpower, and 0 charisma, and 0 for all weapons, and 3 investment points left. And my boons is auto detect and survival is for positive.
Fucking kill him.
I have
Kill him,
13.
please.
I have 13 flamethrower. My power is 4. I was born in spring 1256. My race is entry. My age is 15. Also, my name is Fisher Zeshi. The only fire move I have is Flame of Denial, and I have Crystal Lens, Cloudstone, Aeon, Loudstone. I have 2 Bama bundles, 12 round cats, 12 Demphilios, 7 Gather Weed, 2
3 hours later.
Golf Littles, 6 Reds, 1 Zap, 6 Sticks. I have a blind flow of 12 Red Rubies, 2 Rubies, 5 Sapphires, and I'm wearing some type of thing on my shoulder. I forgot what it's called. Some Paladrons. So the game version is PV_Jan_1_22101. The server age is 5 hours and 24 minutes.
God, you did it! Why do you look like Jiren, bro?
Bro, I look like generic NPCs number 55.
What, am I slowly moving away from y'all?
No.
Yeah.
Why you throw you down like that?
Why are y'all?
Hey. Let me get in here.
Dang. It was fun while it lasted.
You done?
Nope. Never done. Never done. Never done. Never done.
Uh huh.
Yeah, you really thought you got that. You really thought you had that too. Dumbass bitch ass whore ass princess. Bitch, you missed.